Hello everyone and welcome back to Wags and Whiskers. If you're a dog owner, you know they can get into all sorts of things, some safe and some not so much. Today we're diving into a very important topic, what to do if your dog is choking. Knowing the basics could make a huge difference in an emergency. But remember, there's good and bad advice out there, and we want you to be prepared with only the best information. So, how can you tell if your dog is actually choking? Here are some key warning signs to watch for. Pawing at the mouth. If your dog is swatting at their face or seems to be trying to remove something, they could have an obstruction. Coughing or gagging. An obvious sign that something may be stuck in their throat. Difficulty breathing. Watch for any wheezing or labored breaths, which can mean their airway is partially or fully blocked. Unusual sounds or silence. Sometimes they may go quiet or make high-pitched sounds if they're trying but struggling to breathe. Blue or pale gums. This is a late-stage sign, meaning they're not getting enough oxygen and need help immediately. Any one of these signs should set off alarm bells. Dogs can choke on anything from food, toys, bones, or even sticks picked up on a walk. Always supervise them with these items, but accidents can happen. So, has this happened to you? Maybe your dog picked up something they shouldn't have, or you had that terrifying moment where they started gagging out of nowhere. It's a gut-wrenching feeling, right? Don't worry, you're not alone, and there are steps you can take if it happens again. One of our viewers shared a story recently about their dog choking on a piece of kibble. They panicked and didn't know what to do, and that's why we're here to break down what to do in this situation. Alright, let's get into what to do and what not to do if your dog is choking. First, the good steps you should take. Stay calm. Your dog can pick up on your emotions, so if you panic, it can make things worse. Check their mouth. Carefully open their mouth to see if there's anything visible you can remove with your fingers. Don't push it down further. Perform the Dog Heimlich. For smaller dogs, place them on your lap with their back against your chest and press upward on their belly. For larger dogs, do this while they're standing or lying on their side. Perform quick, firm thrusts upward. You don't need a lot of pressure, but it needs to be targeted. Seek immediate veterinary help. Even if they seem okay afterward, take your dog to the vet. There could be internal injuries or residual issues. Next, the bad practices to avoid. Avoid blind sweeping. Reaching into the mouth without seeing the obstruction can push it further down, which is extremely dangerous. Don't delay action. Waiting to see if they'll get it out themselves is risky if they're really struggling. Skipping the vet. Don't skip the vet visit afterward, even if they seem fine. Some blockages can shift or cause internal damage that needs attention. It's all about staying calm, being safe, and acting smartly when every second counts. I hope this helps you feel more prepared in case of an emergency. Being a pet parent means being ready for anything, and knowing what to do if your dog chokes is a big part of that. Remember, the best way to prevent choking is to supervise them and keep small objects out of reach, but, of course, life happens and we can't always prevent things from happening. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more pet safety tips. And let us know in the comments if you've ever experienced a choking scare with your dog. Your story might help others. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, give your furry family members a hug from us.